Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna replace the LED light, that is this one right here, the headlight. So this is my first time doing it. I'm not a car guy and I don't know much about these things, but you know, I'm trying to figure it out as I go, and I'm talking to a friend of mine, but I've got it taken out right here. So what happens is that there's lines here, and these lines connect to the headlights. I don't know if you can see it from there. There's that one in the middle. There's this one. So what I did is I just followed this line, which is basically this one, and it was connected, and I just turned it. I turned it counterclockwise, I believe, and then I just pull it out. So I'm gonna change it now, okay? And so for the headlight, this is what we're gonna use. Got this from Amazon. Good review, so we'll see how it goes. Again, I'm doing this for the first time, and if I can do it, I'm sure all of you guys can do it. I'm not, like, this is my first time ever doing something like this. So I guess it's this one here that comes with, you know, I'm gonna stop the video and I'm just gonna try and install this, and then I'll show you guys, okay? Okay, so I was able to take it out, but I'm not sure even if you're supposed to take this one out, but I think I took out this thing here, the black one, because I believe this one connects to that switch. So I'm gonna try that and see what happens. So this is what it looks like, the one that I took out. So there's that clip there is what you have to press on, and then lift this thing up so that you can take it out. Okay, so for the next step, I just connected the LED kit that came with. It says there to match the polarity. We can see here positive, negative, but I asked my friend, like, which way do I do it, and he said it just goes one way. So we'll see. But here it says here, not work, flip the plug over. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in, and I'm gonna try and turn on the light and see if that makes a difference. Okay, yay, made it work. See, look, that's the old light. I can't even see it, and this is what it is. This is what it looks like. That is awesome. Oh, I can't believe I actually did it. It's not too hard, guys. So that's what it looks like. Both lights are turned on high beam. Obviously we can't see it because it's daylight. I'm gonna show it to you guys again later on at night, and then I'll do the other side, okay? All right, guys, moving on to the other side. This side right here. I don't know if you can see it, but what I do is I just follow this line. See where all see that's connected there. So I just follow this line, and I look for the low beam. The low beam is the third one, and I don't think, yeah, so it's roughly in there somewhere. So I mean, my hand is fairly small, so I could just maybe grab this. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Not sure if I have to go counterclockwise and pull it out, or just pull it out. You know what, I'll just play around with this, and then I'll let you guys know what I did. Okay, so this is really difficult trying to video it at the same time. So I got it. I turned it counterclockwise, and here it is. It's really tight in there. So there you go. Okay, there you go. Turn it counterclockwise again. Gonna do the same thing here. Try and take this out right here. Pry it. Just being careful not to break anything. And then I'll replace it with the other one, just like what I did earlier. Okay. So again, guys, I've taken it out. A little bit more careful on this side because the wiring is not that long. And again, just put this in like so. So hard to do this video using one hand. Here the click. There it is. Everything is good. And then put this inside. Okay, so just this one goes in like so, and yeah, see how it goes. Wonder if I could take a video while I'm doing this. Okay, let me just try. And we're gonna put it right here where the hole is. There, yeah, I can see it. I don't know if you're able to see that. See that? There. There you go. And then I believe it's clockwise. All right, there she is. It works fine. So yes, love it. And I guess I'll just have to clean this up. I'll just have to clean up the wiring. The one that I bought I came with this this strap, so I could just clean it up according to the instructional manual. It says here, here you go, secure the driver in a cool location with included wire ties and double-sided tape. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Just a quick tip, make sure you rotate it clockwise and make sure that it's locked in place. I'm not sure if you can see it on the inside there. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit here. Right there, just try and window it from here and make sure that it's locked in place by turning it clockwise. Okay, so in terms of tying it safely together, I just kind of use 2 ties on here, so 1 and 1, so it's not like slacking there, falling off and all that stuff. So that's what I did there. And on the other side, you know, you can see it from, where is it, right there. So again, I tied it up here with a safety tie and used two ties there, so 1 and 2, just so it doesn't fall off and, you know, wiggles. And again, I'll show you what it looks like later on at night. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you. All right, guys, so it's about nighttime and this is what it looks like. Amazing. I like it a lot better now. So there it is. You can see how far it can really light up. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go for a test drive and yeah, I'm just excited. So it's really easy to install this, so follow the step-by-step that I did, and if I can do it, I'm sure you can too. So have a good one. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit that like button, consider subscribing. All right, cheers.